So the final one is our footer. So what we need to do, we need to duplicate the frame, and we need to bring our footer up. There you go. No animation needed for the footer. And over here, let's make it after delay, and let's make it, everything is pretty good. Alright, so let's test from the start. Boom, 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 and there you go. This is nice. So this should give you some overview of how you can animate or how you can create animated prototype for the presentation. And finally, one thing that we need to do here is once the animation reaches to the end, we need to take it back to the start after delay, and after maybe 1 second. So now let's see what happens. Once the animation is completed, it will automatically go back to start. So it stays in the loop till we have everything what we need. Like if you see, let the animation complete. It's completed, and now there you go. We are back to the header, and it is running in a loop now. So this is I hope you like what you see, and if you like it, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and maybe you can subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and tutorials. That's it for now. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.